Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start a series on the use cases, basically the data science use cases. So instead of teaching the Python programming or the data science, I will teach you uh, the real time data science use cases. So for example, this is my first use case which I will start, which is called the remaining useful life RUL in the manufacturing industry. So if you type the RUL in the Google, you will see different articles associated with that, and this is one of the important topic where in the manufacturing industries or the mining industries or any industry where machinery is involved, they will try to understand what is the remaining life of their machinery, how long the specific machine will run, right? So they wanted to know remaining useful life of a specific machine or in specific component. Okay, so that is the use case I will start teaching to you, and this will be I will follow some pattern here. So like the overview of the workflow, something like that, is something like that. But first I will describe the problem statement. What kind of problem generally we have in a manufacturing industry where we can use the remaining useful life. Then I will load the data set. Okay, so second part will be data collection and loading. So we'll try to understand what kind of data we needed there. Okay, third part will be data pre-processing. Data pre-processing. Fourth part will be feature engineering. Okay, then in the fifth we will move to the failure definition. So how can we define the failure? How, what basically we say this is the failure of equipment or a component of any machinery. So that kind of information we try to capture in the fifth part. Then in the sixth part we try to uh, model it with the survival analysis technique. Okay, so the sixth part will be modeling with survival analysis. Okay, then seventh part will be the predictive RUL and health score calculation. So I mean basically once we have the survival analysis, when do the survival analysis to predict what is the remaining useful life. So the RUL prediction and health score calculation, that will be our seventh part. Eighth part, we try to visualize the health of any asset or whatever. So health curve visualization. Okay, health curve visualization, that will be our eighth point. Ninth point will be monitor and update the model. So we will build the model, then we try to monitor how it's working. Okay, so yeah, I think there is some spelling mistakes is coming, so this will be visualization. Yeah, so this will be visualization, and then ninth part will be monitoring and updating the models. Okay, so here you can see we are covering each and everything. The data science pipeline itself I am covering, like trying to understand what is the problem the manufacturers or the industrial people are facing, that what kind of data we needed that, and how many, I mean, what are the source of the data and how can we load that. Maybe we need to merge them together, and then what kind of data pre-processing we will do that. We once we do the data pre-processing thing, we will create the features. We create the feature based on some feature engineering techniques. We'll try to create the new features, and once we have the set of features, we try to identify what is the failure. How can we say that a machine is going to be fail, our machine is already failed, that kind of things. Then we try to build the survival analysis model, right? So we will say that, okay, how long a machine is going to be survive. So that kind of model we are going to build from the survival analysis. And after that, we'll try to build RUL prediction model and try to calculate the health score. Okay, that is the part. Once we have the RUL model and once we have the health score, then we'll try to visualize the health of any machinery or any component or anything. So which we will select it, and then we monitor the performance and trying to update the model behavior. So you will see here each and everything in data science is going to be covered. Okay. So if you wanted to know in depth how remaining useful life will work in the manufacturing industry, please subscribe my channel. So I am going to be start this use case. Okay. So every week you will see at least one video will be coming out, and I will try to cover this in next 2 to 3 months. I'll try to complete before that, but most probably this will be covering 2 to 3 months, and each video will be around 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Uh, sizes will be there. Okay. So thanks for watching. And if you are interested and wanted to know more information how we will do the remaining useful life, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.